Good morning, dear parents. Uh, we did not, imagine this that we'll be meeting each other like this a month ago. But nevertheless, a very, very warm welcome to all of you in the Big Study Hall Education Foundation family. I am truly, truly blessed to meet all of you. The prep school is a wonderful place to be in, and together, here together, you and me will form a team for little ones to bloom. Okay, and I like to tell you something about our curriculum. Everything is activity based. Like, for example, if I'm introducing red color to them, so the children will come in the red colored clothes. They will have any object of red color. They even I'll be dressed in red color, and they can get red apple or any craft made from home for the red color. And as soon as they come every day, we give them some puzzles so that they can play with each other. They mingle with each other, and they sort of they break the ice and they become friends with each other. In the beginning, they are just coming from their different backgrounds to us. They don't know me, they don't know the children. They are very, very upset in the beginning, but just have some faith in me and in the school, and everything will settle down gradually. We do English and Hindi rhymes, and we do stories. We have big books through them. We read out to them. Then we do dramatization. Then the same story is repeated in the AV class. So, and the conversation also in English. We encourage English speaking, like, Auntie, may I go to washroom? Auntie, may I drink water? And of course, we encourage healthy food eating. So Maggie, chocolates are big no. And you have to send napkins along with it and neatly labeled. Everything has to be neatly labeled, dear parents. Children should come in school uniform. Schedule will be given once the school reopens and once we all settle down to our school life back again. And we have and see that they come on time also, huh? And parent activity, we have parent activity. That this opportunity no other school will give you. In this, what we do is the parents, either mummy, papa, both of them are welcome to come and do some kind of activity, storytelling, informal chatting, informal dancing, or maybe non flammable cooking with them. It's a very good way of knowing your child's friends in school, actually. And we will be having our sports day by December, hopefully, God willing. So, and in that, each and every child will participate. And in case you feel there will be, you won't be able to, then please kindly let me know in advance. As soon as I tell you in WhatsApp, maybe by October, November, then you can all tell me that the reason why your child is not able to participate. And in our school premises, we have a school for underprivileged boys that is called Prerna Boys Junior. The school is for the underprivileged children, only boys. And children, they are coming from not so, I'll say, monetarily sound backgrounds, and we charge very nominal fee for them. And the school is from class nursery to class 5, and even I'm taking classes in them also. So I am in both the school, the prep school also as well as the trainer boys also. And I'm sure you must have spoken about coronavirus to your children. Please be positive and make me your friend now. And please feel free to talk to me. And God bless you all. And I'll be meeting you and the children, my children now, very, very soon. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you.